Okay. While some devotees offering flowers by the Murti and so on, we'll join in bhajan. Pawanatana sangkat harinan manggalamu retiro Ora malakhan Sita sahit hirday basahu surabho लाल दहरी लालील से ओ अरु धरु लाल लंगूर वज्र देव दानव दलंकी जय 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 कपिशोर आय कृपा करो महावीर जन पर कृपा करो महावीर जन पर कृपा करो महावीर कृपा करो महावीर कृपा करो महावीर ओ जन पर कृपा करो महावीर राम अयोध्या अवतार लियो है धर्म धुरंधर धीर राम अयोध्या अवतार लियो है धर्म धुरंधर धीर सीता जी को रघुनाथ पताये सीता जी को रघुनाथ पताये उतारे सिंधु नीर जन पर कृपा करो महावीर कृपा करो महावीर कृपा करो महावीर ओ जन पर कृपा करो महावीर लाल लंगोटा सिंदूर विराजे सुंदर सुभग शरीर लाल लंगोटा सिंदूर विराजे सुंदर सुभग शरीर कपिदाये सहित राम यही आए कपिदाये सहित राम यही आए आए तेज रघुबीर जन पर कृपा करो महावीर कृपा करो महावीर कृपा करो महावीर जन पर कृपा करो महावीर लाल लंगोटा सिंदूर विराजे सुंदर सुभग शरीर लाल लंगोटा सिंदूर विराजे सुंदर सुभग शरीर सूरदास पर कृपा कीजिए सूरदास पर कृपा कीजिए हरो विशंबर पीर जन पर कृपा करो महावीर जन पर कृपा करो महावीर आए कृपा करो महावीर कृपा करो महावीर ओ कृपा करो महावीर जन पर 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 कृपा करो महावीर सिंधु लांगी लंका दहेशी पुण्यति अक्षय कुमार। सिंधु लांगी लंका दहेशी पुण्यति अक्षय कुमार। ओ काल ने मी कहा मारी मगा किलावा शैल उपार। बंदो पवन कुमार कालवन पावक ज्ञान घन। जासु हृदय गार बस ही राम सरचा पधर। हरिये जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। 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 राम के द्वारे तुम्हर कबारे महावीर बलवान। रामा महावीर बलवान। ओ राम द्वारे तुम्हर कबारे महावीर बलवान। रामा महावीर बलवान। राम लखन कौशला की जय है अंजनी के जय हनुमान। जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। हरिये जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। हरिये जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। हाथ में सोता लाल लंगोटा मुख में नागर पान। रामा मुख में नागर पान। हाथ में सोता लाल लंगोटा मुख में नागर पान। रामा मुख में नागर पान। जनक सुता के शोक निवारे रघुबर सूज सब खान। ओ जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। हरिये जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। हरिये जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। पैति पताल ही रावण मारो देवी को दे वरदान। रामा देवी को दे वरदान। ओ पैति पताल ही रावण मारो देवी को दे वरदान। रामा देवी को दे वरदान। मकर ध्वज की राज तिलक दियो पुत्र आपन जान। जन पर कृपा करो। हरिये जन पर कृपा करो ओ हरिये जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। राम के द्वारे त्रास निवारे दल में ले आए हनुमान। रामा दल में ले आए हनुमान। राम लखन की त्रास निवारे दल में ले आए हनुमान। ओ रामा दल में ले आए हनुमान। तुलसीदास पर कृपा कीजिए भक्त आपन जान। ओ जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। ओ जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। हरिये जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। हरिये जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। हरिये जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। प्रेम से बोलिए श्री पवन पुत्र महावीर स्वामी की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय। वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। नुबरी सेन जय। सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय। सकल पंच की जय। जय सीताराम। सीधा दिया है और समाना। Dear devotees, tonight once more on behalf of the Mandir, I want to extend to you a most cordial and special welcome. As customary, we assemble here on a Thursday evening for our satsang. We also want to say a most cordial and special welcome to all our bhaktas and devotees who join with us throughout the globe. From this mandir here, streaming live on their Facebook page by members of the Sanagar Hindu Youth Group, branch number 67 of the SDMS of Ojo Road in Sangre Grande, Trinidad, West Indies. We say a most cordial and special welcome to you. Tonight we want to say a special welcome to our Shruta, Adonis Pasar and his family. As devotees, you will notice tonight we deviate from our normal Bhagavad satsang which we have on a Thursday. In that, today Adonis celebrates his birthday. And every year for his birthday, he normally does Hanuman Puja. So he thought of it as it fall on Thursday, it will be nice to keep it this evening, and he'll have also the members of the temple here to join with him, which is so nice. So Adonis, on behalf of all present here this evening, happy birthday to you. Bhagavan's blessings to you. He is indeed a Hanuman Bhakta. He has a lot of faith and belief in Pawan Putra. So having had Kirtan by members of the group, we have had Puja. It is important that we listen to the greatness of the divinity. Especially with Mahavira Swami, when he is worshipped and adored, you have to praise him. And why you have to praise him? Because Shauki Mahamuni Srapadiyo Taba Chahiye Kauna Vichara Vicharo, Shauki Mahamuni did pronouns a curse on him. He said, Hanuman, you'll forget all the powers you have. It's only when you are reminded of it, the powers will come back. And hence why it's important that you have to praise him, to revigorate him, revitalize him, re-energize him once more. Why it is that his choice is Hanumanji Puja. Devotees, Hanumanji is 11th incarnation of Bhagavan Shankar, having come upon earth to serve the Lord in Ram Leela, taken the form of a Vanara. Now we tend to say monkey, but really the description given is that they walked upright like humans. They had the intelligence of humans, and more so they had love for the feet of God. Right? So why did Hanumanji take this form of this Vanar Roop? And why did all the monkeys, devotees, come in that form? You wouldn't believe what's striking me this moment, eh? It might sound humorous, but we are doing Hanuman Puja this evening. I am higher than you all. And if you see how you are looking with your mask on your face, as if in the army of Shri Ram and Ram Leela. No, honestly, I'm telling you, this is the impression I get. You are in the army of Shri Ram with Hanumanji, Jamwant and others. You know, with the face mask on then, it brings back that memory one time. You see, devotees, to understand it, we have to go back a bit. Narad Muni, being a very great sage and a bhakta of Bhagavan, once went into deep dhyan and meditation. And when he awoke from it, he thought to himself, but I really good. Nothing came there to cause a humbug to me. I was able to master everything. I am a great sage. So Vishnu Bhagavan thinking, he said, no, Narad. Anytime you feel you are the best, that is the beginning of your downfall. So Narad, I'll have to strip him of that ego. So Bhagavan created a town, okay, in full operation with a king, queen, princess, and citizens and everybody and so on. And he led Narad Muni to that place, making up his mind for him. Now in that kingdom, there was a Swayambar. Swayambar means the princess was about to marry, and suitors were invited from around the globe. So she will have a mala in her hand. As she goes wrong, whoever she chooses, she'll put the mala around the neck. Narad, when he reached there and he saw the princess, Manmohit, he fell in love with her. This was the doing of Vishnu Bhagavan, you know. And he took a seat, hoping that she will put the mala in his neck. But then he thought before that, he's old and wrinkled. She might be attracted to him. Let me go and ask Lord Vishnu for his form. So he went to Bhagwan Vishnu and said, Prabhu, such and such is the case, I really want to get married to this girl. You could bless me with your handsome form. So Bhagwan Vishnu said, Narad, I always give my devotee what is best for them. Go ahead. So Narad went and he sat down there, but he didn't realize Vishnu Bhagwan gave him the face of a monkey. But he didn't know that. There were 2 attendants of Lord Shiva sitting next. But every time the girl passed with the mala, she shunned him. Because you seen a man with a monkey face looking like he come from the planet of apes, you'll try to avoid him. So when he do that, as she was coming along, he pushed out the head to be noticed. So the 2 attendants tell him, why you don't go, there's a pond outside, go and look at your reflection and see how good looking you are. He cursed the attendants one time, and when he went and he saw, he had the face of a monkey and he was ridiculed with it. In anger, he headed up for Vaikuntham. Bhagwan Vishnu, you see what you did to me today, you'll have to pay for that. You prevented me from marrying that girl, so your consort will be separated from you and you will know how it will feel. And you see the same monkey face that you ridiculed me with, this face will have to come to help you get her back. Vishnu Bhagwan said, Narad, may your words be true. Because it is written in the scriptures, when words come from you great saints and sages, they will be true. If I do not allow it to happen, the Vedas will be considered false. So due to that, devotees, to maintain the words of Narad, Bhagwan, when the earth was troubled, and Dharti Mata called upon Vishnu Bhagwan and all the devatas, a pronouncement was made. I am going to come in the human form in the home of Dasrath and Kausalya Ayodhya in 4 parts. And from Ayodhya, I will move out. And whilst moving out, I will diffuse my energy. And whilst doing so, I will rid the earth of the troubles and problems and also fulfill the vow of Narad. And that is why in Ram Leela you will notice Sita was abducted, the illusionary form. And when devotees, that pronouncement was made, Brahma called an emergency meeting in the heavens. Devatas, haven't you heard? Vishnu Bhagwan is coming on earth as Shri Ram. He has to fulfill the curse of Narad. Therefore he'll need an army of monkeys, bears, gorillas and apes. Take the forms and go down. And they started to transform themselves upon earth. Lord Surya came as Sugriv. Brahma himself came as Jamwant. Right? Indra came as Bali. Lord Shiva said, I am not going to miss out on the sportive activities. Shankara Suvana Keshari Nandan Teja Pratapa Mahajagavandan. Shankar Bhagwan took manifestation as Pavana Putra Hanuman. They found themselves in gallant troops and waited in Kiskinda for the coming of the Lord to serve him there and then. You see, devotees, they walked upright as humans. They had intelligence of humans and they had love for God. And you sit down and you wonder, where did the Western world get the idea of making a film like Planet of the Apes? Where the idea came from? It's there, you see it? So devotees, when Ram Leela was finished and they returned to Ayodhya, okay, Hanuman stayed with Shri Ram and many others. But when the time had completed his stay on earth, Shri Ram said, Pawan Putra, I have to leave to go back to the heavens. But heed to these instructions of mine. I want you to remain here. Remain as long as the sun comes out in the morning. The moon and the stars and the luminaries at the end of the night, and humans on this earth remain. And anyone who will worship and adore you, Bala Buddhi Vidya Dehu Mohi Harahu Kalesha Vikar. Bless them in this world. Take away all their troubles and problems. Char Padarat, Dharm, Arth, Kam and Moksha. And so devotees, it is Shri Ram who left him for us here. When you pass by a Hindu home, you will see the cluster of jhandis. But it must have a red one. And you sure will cut that one taller than the rest, eh? Why? Why do you cut that red bamboo taller than all the others? Gopes, why you cut it taller? You cannot cut the same length with the others. The judgment said, but Baba, it had to be taller. Well, why it had to be taller? Because Hanumanji stands out in this age of Kali Yuga. Aur devata chitna dharahi, Hanumata says sarva sukha karai. When our forefathers came here, the first opportunity they got to do puja was to Hanumanji. And if you remember long ago, they wouldn't invite you for Hanuman puja, They will invite you for a root or a jhandi. It will either be on a Tuesday morning or a Saturday morning, which is most favorable for him. If you worship him on a Saturday and you have any ill effects of Shani, it can also nullify. But Hanumanji is present. Sri Ram left him for us here. And that's why we take the convenience-wise to and offer worship to him at any time. This year we missed him on the occasion of Hanuman Jayanti. It's the most rotated I've ever seen this temple, Aji. Okay? Really, really a wonderful occasion, but I know you did your worship at home. So devotees are not only us Hindus worship Hanuman. You have other cults that worship him also. Other faiths that worship him, knowing his great power, devotees. His greatest, if you go by any judgment to do puja, and you ask them, well, look, which Chalisa to read for, Hanuman Chalisa. They will always tell you, Hanuman Chalisa. That Chalisa stands out among also all the rest of them. So, Adonis is the bhakta of Pawan Putra Hanumanji. He took this opportunity this evening to express thanks, and as he does so, he begs Bhagavan, and we to beg on his behalf, that may Bhagavan continue to bless him with the four goals in life of Dharam, Arth, Kam and Moksha. What a day. Dharma is to grow spiritually. Anytime your life have a solid spiritual base, you wouldn't have much trouble. Arth is what you need to live in this world comfortably. However, there is a big question mark by it, and the question mark is, how much is enough? Calm does be your desires, dreams, and aspirations. May they be fulfilled, and we all wait until that day which will surely arrive, when the soul will leave this body. May Atma merge into Paramatma, for the purpose for which we are here. So devotees, happy birthday Adonis, and having thus talked about Hanuman a bit, let us join in praising him. Hari Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha Saraswatyai Namaha Guru Charana Kamalibhyo Namo Namam Sri Guru Charana Sarojaraj Nejaman Mukura Sudhar Varno Raghuvar Vimalayasha Jodayak Phalachar बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय. Sant Mahatma Tulsidas, the author of the Ramayana, composed the Hanuman Chalisa in 40 verses of praises to him. But here devotees, he reveres him as his guru. Sri Guru Charan. Why does Tulsidas revere Hanumanji as his guru? Because Hanuman was instrumental in showing him the way to meet Shri Ram, to get darshan of Shri Ram, to become inspired and to write the Ramayana that has made him globe renowned. Devotees, it was a spirit who guided him to a place where there is satsang. He said, go there. Every day, one fellow does come first and he leave last. You wouldn't want to sit down by him, right? He ain't too likable and so on. That fellow is Hanuman. When Tulsidas reached, the man was there already. Satsang finished, well, he had to leave last. You see Tulsi and go in, Tulsi run and grab his feet. He said, Chordo, let me go. He said, no, you are Hanumanji. He said, no, how I could be Hanuman? And when he saw the faith in Tulsi, he dropped his disguise and stood before him as Pawan Putra Hanuman. You see again the bhajan comes in. Bare pyar se milna sab se दुनिया में इंसान रे क्या जाने किस भेष में बाबा मिल जाए भगवान है. Nobody knows what form God could take and come to you. You turn away that person, and that probably is the Lord there. Right? Hanumanji blessed him, devotees. We all know the Katha of Tulsidas, turned away by his wife, and when he went, and so on and thing there. But Tulsi tell him, he said, Hanuman, I want to meet Shankar Bhagavan. Right? And we are speaking 500 odd years ago. And Hanuman again instructed him to go to Kashi, and whilst going there, what happened? Who he met? A Brahmin on the road. Right? Who is this Brahmin? A normal human, but a Brahmin. Okay? Speaking with him and so on there, the Brahmin told him, my Shiv who? He said, I am Shankar Bhagavan. And he dropped the disguise of the Brahmin, and Lord Shiva stood there as you see him, devotees. Just as in Kailash Parvat, Shankar Bhagavan placed his hand on his head. But he was not satisfied. He said, Pawan Putra, I want to see Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughan together with Sita Devi. Hanuman said, but that is not possible. That is not possible. So what happened? Well, before that, the incident before that was that. He said he wanted to see Ram and Lakshman in person. So, all right, Hanuman said, go to a certain place and wait there. And while she waiting, what happened? Two fellas passed on horseback as if they were going hunting. So Tulsidas barred his eyes. He said, I want to see Ram, and look, two hunters passing. So as soon as they passed, Hanuman appeared. He said, you see them? He said, where are they? He said, Bap, look, they're just going. Bare pyar se milana sab se. He directed him to another place. He said, go there, Chitrakoot, and wait. And Tulsidas was ghasein chandan. And two young boys came and they said, Baba, you could put chandan for us? Tulsi put chandan. But Tulsi, yes, sure. He said, are you Ram and Lakshman? So as they turned away to go, they said, Baba, people like you are Ram and Lakshman in Kali Yuga. So as they walked a little distance, Hanuman appeared. He said, Tulsi, you see them? He said, where them? He said, Arey Bap, them two boys, they just put chandan, they are Ram and Lakshman. And Tulsi was so elated, he composed a special doha in the Ramayana. Chitrakoot ke ghat par bhai santan ke bir, Tulsi das chandan ghi se tilak kare Raghubir. With that divine blessing, and still he wanted devotees to see them again. And they had said he sent him in the next place. And Tulsi was hearing, noise from a distance in northern direction coming, as if the dust kicking up from the hooves of horses and so on, and elephants trumpeting, and chariots coming. And as if it came out suddenly before him, Tulsidas saw a chariot with Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughan, and Sita. And who Tulsi seeing? Hanumanji stooping down by his feet. So Tulsi went quickly, and he Saja Pitharya, and he went and he made arti for them. From that chariot, devotees, a hand came out, Shri Ram's hand came out and placed it on the head of Tulsidas, blessing him, devotees, that he could write that Ramayana. It was not, he saw the Lord in person in Kali Yuga. You see, you got to have faith. Tulsi has that faith. We just say we have it, but we just lack it still. So hence why at the commencement of the Chalisa, he praises him as his Guru, and then he begins to, he reveres him as his Guru and praises him in the following verses. Hari Om. Jai Hanuman Jnana Guna Sagar, Jai Kapish Tihu Loka Ujagar, Ramaduta Atulit Baladhama, Anjani Putra Pavan Sutanama, Mahavira Vikram Bajarangi, Kumatani Vara Sumati Ke Sangi, Kanchana Varana Viraja Suvesha, Kanana Kundala Kunchita Kesha, Hata Vajra Audvaja Viraje, Kande Munja Jane Urasaje. O Pawan Putra, you are the ocean of knowledge and virtues. You again are the Lord of the Vanaras, and your greatness is throughout the three galaxies of the universe. You are the loyal servant of the Lord Shri Ram and the ocean of physical strength. Your earthly mother is Anjani Devi, and your heavenly father is the wind god Pawan Devta. Oh Hanumanji, your body is hard like a adamant, a iron. You see, devotees, when Hanuman returned with Sri Ram to Ayodhya and the Lord was coronated as king, you will remember that Vibhishan placed a necklace around Sita's neck. Sita placed it around Hanuman's neck, and he broke it up. And he was questioned about if he has the Lord in him. And it was there he opened his chest in Ayodhya. Chira ki chati bole apne pavan putra Hanuman, mere man mein base hai Ram, mere tan mein base hai Ram. The audience saw devotees with blood pumping, Shri Ram, Lakshman and Sita shining within. When Shri Ram looked at him from on the throne, by his benign look, he healed the wound and he made his body hard like adamant there. It was there, devotees. So his body is hard like adamant, like iron itself. The Rakshas couldn't do him anything. Right? Hariyam Narayana Bhakti Kevalam. He's of a golden complexion, Sona Kevaran. Okay? Lovely earrings adorn his hairs. He always have the Janeva across his shoulder and the Gada in his hand. Hari Om Shankara Suvane Keshari Nandan Teja Pratapa Mahajagavandan. He is the 11th incarnation of Bhagavan Shankar. His earthly father is Keshari. His greatness again is beyond words. Vidyavana Gunyati Chatu Ramakaja Kariveko Atur. Very intelligent, very smart, and very virtuous. And you see this line, devotees, Ramakaja Kariveko Atur. To Hanuman never hesitated to go on a mission. And he never failed on a mission. Right? Have you asked the question why? This is the key in successful living. He never hesitated. He was always benevolent. And he never failed. He always was successful. Why? Because when he moved, Jai Shri Ram. What it signifies? If you always keep the Lord in front in your life, you'll have the least of troubles and problems. He was always successful, devotees. Hari Om Prabhu Charitra Suni Beku Rasya Ramalakhan Sita Manabasya. His greatest love in Kali Yuga. Anywhere you have Ramayana Katha with love, Hanumanji is always present there. He cannot resist the temptation of it. Right? Ai ke asana lijiye, suno veera Hanuman. Please come and take your rightful seat, O Pawan Devta. You again who are the great devotee of Bhagavan Shri Ram. Hari Om Sukshma Rupa Dhar Siyah Dikava Vikata Rupa Dhari Lanka Jarava Bhima Rupa Dhari Asura Sanghare Ramachandra Ke Kaja Savare Layas Jivana Lakhana Jiaye Shri Raghuvira Hara Shiuralaye. Hanumanji's blessed devotees with the powers you call his siddhas. Sita Devi blessed him. What are some of them? If Hanumanji want to come small like this sunk, he could shrink down to this size. When he entered Lanka, nobody saw when he entered. Or if he want to grow to the size of a mountain, he can do it. So he took a small form to enter Lanka. He took a warrior form to fight those demons. But Layasa Jivana Lakhana Jiaye Shri Raghuvira Hara Shiuralai. Watching him bringing that mountain is look comical, isn't it? How he could bring a big mountain like that? Devotees, I had the blessed privilege in 2014 to be in Sri Lanka. And in Sri Lanka there is evidence that that mountain was brought. Soil from the mountain fell in 5 different places. They have tested the composition of the soil. It is the same as where it came from in Dronagiri and the Himalaya. And the plants that are growing in these 5 different places are for medicinal nature just there too. So it's not a Nancy story. He was able to bring that devotees to cure Lakshman, to revive Lakshman in this respect. That is the power of Hanumanji having come. So Vikata Roop, he took that form to bring that mountain peak. Bhima Rupa Dhari Asura Sanghare Ramachandra Ke Kaja Savare. He took a warrior form to defeat those Rakshas. Where Hanuman landed in Lanka, That place, there's a beautiful temple there called Ram Boda, right? He's not called Hanuman in Lanka, but he's called Anjaneya. Anjaneya means the son of Anjani Devi. Okay? He's revered there. Hari Om Narayana Bhakti Kevalam Raghupati Kinhi Bahuta Barai Tumama Priya Bharata Sambhai. Shri Ram has that love for him, just as his own brother Bharat. Sasavaran tuma roja sagave asakai sripati kantha lagave sanakadika brahmadi munisha narada sarada saitahisha yam kubera digapala jahate kavi ko vidakai saki kahate. Many have tried, devotees, to measure his greatness, to fathom his greatness, but they have failed. No words could adequately describe him. He is beyond speech. He is beyond words. The Vedas have failed. Saraswati, the goddess of words, have failed. Shesha with 1,000 tongues have failed. You know what Tulsidas says as his verdict? Tuma upakara sugriva hi kinha Rama milaya raja paradinha tumharo mantra vivishana mana Lankeshwara bhai sab jagajana. Tulsidas says anybody with faith and belief worship him. You do have a question as if, but, might or may. Devotees, you do not pray, and when you're done pray, you say, I wonder if God hear me. What do you think? We go and we pray, and when we're done praying in your prayer room, Lord hear me. Why would you ask a question like that? Because you lack faith. When you pray, you must pray with the confidence, the conviction that the Lord responds to your prayer. Just as how devotees, he helped Sugriv, who had lost his kingdom. All right? It was through Hanumanji. Because Sugriv sent him down to Pampapur, he brought up Rama and Lakshmana on the shoulder, and there they made a compromise to help each other. Vibhishan was thrown out from Lanka. He advised Ravan, Ravan kicked him out. Vibhishan didn't know anybody else but Hanumanji. Right? It's Hanuman he knew. And with that, taking Hanumanji in his mind, devotee is his name, and the lotus-like feet of Shri Ram imprinted on his heart. When he reached there, Shri Ram introduced him to, Hanuman introduced him to Shri Ram. Devotees, you know what Vibhishan got? He got the throne of Lanka in the end. He became the king of Lanka. What it's showing you here, once you're humble to him, you must have progression, both spiritually, materially. There is no if and no but about it, but the faith has to be there. Hariyam Yuga Sahasrayo Janapar Bhanu Lilyo Tahi Madhura Palajanu Prabhu Mudrika Beli Mukamahi Jaldi Langhi Gaya Achara Nahi. Between South India and Sri Lanka is 100 yojans. 1 yojan is 8 miles, so I 800 miles. You know Hanuman left that, devotees? Just so you could drop. The true comparison is, in Ramayana, you see when the ground wet and a cow pass and the hoof make a sink and that full with water, how you will cross it over? That's how Hanuman crossed it. Effortlessly he leapt over 800 miles. Hanuman could have run on the water. He flew through the air because all the devatas had blessed him, devotees, that he will have their blessings whenever it is needed. Hari Om. And he was carrying with him the ring in his mouth that Shri Ram gave him to identify to Sita. Durgam ka jagat ke jete sugam anugrah tumhare te Rama duware tumhara kavare kotana agya binu paisare. Whatever the task was, big like a mountain, is to make it look small like a mustard seed. Why again? Jai Shri Ram. Right? That's why you have to say that, with power like them children in Ram Leela. Right? We're just afraid to say Jai sometime. He sits on the doorway to the Lord. Why? Because he have the Lord inside here. Chira ki charti bole apane. Now look at the issue with this. They tell you in another line, Aur devata chitana dharai Hanumata say sarva sukha karai. In Kali Yuga, you could focus on Hanuman alone and reach back to Vishnu Bhagavan. Because when you worship Hanumanji, you are worshipping Shri Ram inside, who is Vishnu Bhagavan. Sita Devi, who is Lakshmi, and Lakshman, who is Shesha. You see? Focus alone devotees. It tells you here you will have that progression in your life. Hari Om Narayana Bhakti Kevalam Sab Sukh Lahai Tumhari Sharana Tum Rakshak Kahu Ko Darana Apana Teja Samharo Apai Teen Loka Hankate Kapai Bhuta Pisacha Nikat Nahi Ave Mahavira Jabanama Sudave. He brings happiness to his devotees, allow protection, and removes fear. When you roar like a lion, gurge in this way, negative things have to move out, they cannot stay. And you know what negative things here like gopes? Bhuta Pisach, it's Bhuta and Pisach? Spirit and zombie and all them things and so on. Most people say this affecting them and there's some stress, There's a simple doha. Bando pavana kumara khalavana pava kagyana gan jasu hirdeya gad basa hirama sarachapadhara. No spirit could stand up before that mantra. Pawan Putra gets rid of all those negative forces around. Nashay roga hari sabapira hari om japat nirantara hanumata bira. Nasha is to bring to an end. Roga is sickness, pira is pain in this body. Hanumanji wrote a special book called Hanuman Bahuk. Right? You can make anybody better, but people are going to make the sacrifice. Because Tulsidas was once very, very sick, and when he recovered, he wrote that book, the Hanuman Bahuk. Not only the Chalisa he wrote, Hari Om, but the power of the simple Chalisa devotees, the faith and belief, you will get that relief. Sankatate Hanumana Chorave, Marakram Vachana Dhyana Jolave. Sankat is troubles and problems, he takes it away. But three important words are stressed here. Manakrama Vachan. You've got to have implicit faith and belief. How you got to have faith? Mukang karoti vachalam pangulang yate girim yat kripatamaham vande parmananda madhavam. By your grace, O Lord, a crippled person will get up and run up a mountain, and a dumb person going to start to talk. That is the kind of faith we got to have. It is a lack. We lack it, devotees, in this way. Sabapararama tapas viraja tinike kaja sakala tumasaja. He was always in loyal service to Shri Rama Lakshman. Aura manorata joko ilave so yamita jivana phalapave. Really and truly, when we're doing prayers, there is no need to ask God for anything, Bhagavan knows the desires of your heart. Right? He knows the innermost desires of the heart. You don't have to ask. But again, as one wise person said, if you really want to ask, the greatest thing to ask for is, Lord, just increase my devotion to you. Bhakti swatantra sakala sukha khani. For once you increase this devotion, that will take care of every other thing. Right? Just answer that. Charo juga partapa tumhara hai prasid jagat ujyara. Do you know Hanumanji was in the 4-time span? In Satyug, there is a picture where you see him with Hanuman on the side with a flag in his hand and Kal Bhairav on the other side when he fought Mahishasur. In Treta Yug, he was with Shri Ram and Ram Leela. In Dwapar Yug, 5,000 years ago, he was with Krishna Bhagwan in the Mahabharata war. Right? Where was he? Which part was Krishna Bhagwan, Hanumanji in the Mahabharata? Right. Look at a picture good, and you will see on the chariot of Lord Krishna, Hanumanji is sitting on that flag. Right? Now listen what happened one time in the Mahabharata. Karan on the opposite side, all right, and Krishna Bhagwan on this side with Arjun. So when Arjun shot the chariot of Karan, it sent it 15 paces aback. But when Karan shot the chariot of Krishna Bhagwan and Arjun and who were it, it sent it 3 paces back. So Krishna Bhagwan started to praise Karan. So Arjun, he didn't like that. I sent in his chariot 15 paces aback, and he sent in this one 3 paces aback, and the Lord praising him. So he realized how Arjun was thinking. He said, Arjun, Karan is great. He said, but Lord, how? He said, listen, I am this chariot, right? You are Master Archer here. And you see who on the flag? Pawan Putra Hanuman is on this chariot, and Karan still has the power to send it 3 paces aback. Wow, Karan, blessed are you. So Hanuman was in the Mahabharata war. In Kali Yuga, he is present all over. Just call him with faith, devotees, and he will respond to you. Sadhu Santake tu Bharakavare, Asura Nikandana Rama Duare. Devotees is there to protect the good, meek, and the humble, and to subdue the unrighteous. Ashta Siddhinau Nidhi Ke Data, Asavardina Janaki Mata, Rama Rasayana Tumare Pasa, Sarara Hora Gupati Ke Dasa. Sita Devi blessed him with the 8 siddhas and the 9 treasures. What are the siddhas? I told you are categories of powers. But what are the treasures here? Treasures are not gold, diamond, and silver and ruby. No. The treasures are the 9 steps of devotion that leads one in oneness to Bhagavan. That would have made Hanumanji, given him that position as Rama Bhakta Hanuman. Tomorrow bhajana Rama ko pave, janama janama ke dukha bisarave, constantly revering him. So this Chalisa, sins accumulated from previous birth, it has the power to help nullify it, together with here also. Sankata katay mite sabapira jo sumire hanumata balabira. Sankat is troubles and problem, devotees. You can get relief, if not total riddance of it, by calling him with faith. And how you had to call him? When Tulsidas want him, Tulsi used to call him how? Jai 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 Hanumana Gosai, Kripa Karo Guru Deva Kinai. Hanuman used to appear to Tulsi. Right? If Tulsi wasn't sure about anything in Ramayana and so on, he'll call Hanuman as a witness. Hanuman will rectify it. Tulsi will pick up his feathered pen in those days and continue. Hanuman was a witness to the writing of the Ramayana. That is why Ramayana cannot do without Hanuman, and Hanuman cannot do without Ramayana. And on every page in the Ramayana, there are at least 2 emblems of Hanumanji. And Ramayana has 1,320 pages. So how much are you looking at there? At least 2,640 emblems of Hanuman in Ramayana. In the same like manner, Ram Leela can't do without him, and he can't do without Ram Leela. So too Ramayana cannot do without him, and he cannot do without it. Right? They cannot do without each other. Call him without faith, he will respond. Jo shata bara patakar koi chutai bandhi mahasukha hoi. Right? Dosh jo shata bara patakar. It tells you here, devotees, one who recites again this Chalisa 100 times is liberated from bondage, from rebirth. Right? Just chanting it, it tells you that, and you enjoy the great, very great bliss. Jo yaha parai Hanuman Chalisa hoye siddhi sa ki gaurisha. You know, Tulsidas composed this, and yet still so humble is he. He never say, I composed the Chalisa, you know. By the mercy of Shankar Bhagwan and Parvati Devi, all right, they have blessed me in order to compose the Chalisa. Hari Om Narayana Bhakti Kevalam Charana Kamalibhyo Namo Navam. I feel that's a page somewhere wrong. Krishnaye Paramatamaye Govindaye Namo Namam. Hari Om. Antakala Raghupara Pura Jayi Jaha Janama Hari Bhakta Kahai. Yes, I did. Okay? It tells you again, devotees, constantly revering him through the medium of this Chalisa, he can lead you along a way, a pathway, devotees, to enjoy oneness with the Bhagavan at the end of this mortal coil. Aura devata chitana dharai Hanumata sei sarva sukha karai. In this world, keep your focus on Hanuman Baba. Right? Keep your focus on him. He will lead you along a pathway to get Chat Padarati and yes, still achieve oneness with Vishnu Bhagavan. Sankata katay mite sabapira jo sumire Hanumata balabira. Sankat is troubles, problems, all of those and so on, devotees. He takes it away and allows again happiness to prevail in your heart. Tulsidasa sadahari chera kije nata hirdai mahadera. Tulsidas begs him. He said, Hanumanji, come and take up residence in my heart. But I don't want you to come alone. Bring with you Ram, Lakshman and Sita and stay here permanently. And in the same like manner, devotees, as we are reading, all on behalf of Adonis here, we are begging him for this blessing. And so we beg to with Adonis, may Hanumanji come and take up his residence in your heart. Bring in with him Ram, Lakshman and Sita unstained permanently. He composed a beautiful doha which says, Pavanatanaya Sankata Haran Mangala Murati Roop Rama Lakshmana Sita Sahita Hirday Basahu Surabho. Iti Sri Hanuman Chalisa Samapti. Prem se boliye Pavana Putra Hanuman ki jai. Bolo Shri Mahavir Swami ki jai. Bajranga Bali ki jai. Offer your flowers and bow. So devotees, the greatness of Hanuman Baba. We still have a few moments, so let us rever him again once more. Okay? The word Sankat, devotees, means troubles and problem. Right? The Sankat Mochan is meant to take away your troubles and problem. And anywhere you call upon Hanumanji, this is what he does. So Tulsidas also wrote it and he said, Bala Samaira Vibhaksha liyo tabatina huloka bhayo andhiyaro tahi so trasa bhayo jagakoya sankata kahu so jatan taro devana ani kare binati tabacharariyo ravi kashta nivaro ko nahi janat hai jag mein kapi sankata mochan naam tiharo. We all know Hanuman came on the full moon, devotees, after Shri Ram. And when he was a little child one morning, his mother was holding him in her godi. He saw the sun coming out from the horizon and he thought it to be a beautiful fruit. So he made one leap up there. Indra in the heavens, seeing this creature going towards the sun, did not know who he was. He sent his thunderbolt and it hit him on his face. He fainted and he fell on the ground. When this happened, his father is Pawan Devata, the wind god. He became very angry. He stopped all the air from circulation. No oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, whatever be it. And the universe was in turmoil. All the devatas together with Lord Brahma and all the others came there. Please let go the air. He said, no. Not what you have done, my son. I'll have to compensate for that. And it was only when every devata blessed him, devotees, Pawan, they released the air. Durga Devi told him, I will always be there to back you when you need me. Right? Shankar Bhagwan says, my Trisul will be ineffective. The Lord of Death, Yamraj, said, from today you live how long you want. I cannot bother you. Varun of the water said, water can't drown you, you can run and go to Lanka. Agni of the fire said, fire will have no effect on you. Every devata blessed him, devotees, and with all this blessing now, Pawan Devata was happy. He let loose the air into circulation. Everybody happy? Hanumanji as a little child moving about with so much power, devotees. He will see a tree and just root it out. You will see a hill and just push it one side. A little child I'm telling you about. So what happened? There was a great sage, devotees, who knew that he had come here for a purpose. And the sage, devotees, was worried that someone again might pronounce a curse upon him and he will not be able to do what he had come here to do. So what happened? The sage, devotees, he pronounced a curse upon him instead. And who was that sage? Hari Om Narayana Bhakti Kevalam. Hari Om. Shri Bhagavan Vatsalam. Bali ki trasa kapi sabasai giri jata Mahaprabhu panta nivaro. Chauki Mahamuni srapa diyo taba chahiye. Hari Om. Srapa diyo taba chariyo kauna bichara bicharo. Kaidvija rupa livaya Mahaprabhu Joseph Prabhu tumastas shokha nivaro. को नहीं जानत है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो. This great sage Chauki Mahamuni, right, is he who told Sampati to wait, His wings will grow back, he'll serve the Lord. Chauki Mahamuni cursed him. He said, you'll forget all the strength you have. Only when you are reminded of it, it will come back to you. And from there, Hanuman became very passive. He moved about ordinarily. That's why you had to revigorate him. Devotees. One day a man came in Ayodhya with a monkey performing tricks. Shri Ram started crying for a monkey. Right? He want a monkey. The man promised to give him. He don't want that monkey. They bring all kind of monkey. He don't want that monkey. Guru Vashish had to tell them, go to Kiskinda. There is a little monkey called Hanuman. You have to bring him. And they went and they brought him. Hanuman grew up with Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughan in Ayodhya playing as childhood friends. Until when Guru Vishwamitra came and he said, look, I want Ram and Lakshman to go in the forest. Sri Ram told him, go back to Kiskinda, we'll meet. So what happened now? Bali wanted to kill Sugriv. And Sugriv had to run and he was on Rishimukh Parvat. So Sugriv was afraid of Bali that he will send spies and so on. So what happened? Kai Dvija Rupa Livaya Mahaprabhu. He said, Hanuman, go and check out them two fellas down there. Hanuman disguised as a hermit, a holy Brahman, and went down. And when he saw it was Ram and Lakshman, he dropped his disguise, took them up on his shoulder, and brought them to Rishimukh Parvat, where they made a compromise to help each other. Shri Ram helped Sugriv to get back his kingdom by killing Bali. And here devotees, Sugriv in turn, they had to remind him, after the rainy season, he said, Hanuman, you have to round up every monkey, bear, gorilla, and ape and bring them in Kiskinda in less than a month. Before the month was up, Hanuman had everybody there. You see? He took away, you had no trouble and no problems with him. He made sure that every issue, it was, you got the results of it then. And so devotees, what happened? The issue was that now that they knew, they went searching and searching and searching, and they realized Sita was in the Ashok gardens of Ravan in Lanka. But devotees, what had happened there? Okay? 800 miles, who could go across to Lanka and seek the whereabouts of Sita Devi? Jamwan get up, he said, well, when I was in my days, I could make it. The other one said, boy, I could reach halfway, I ain't sure to come back, And everyone is voicing their opinion. Hanuman sat down in the back, quiet there. Because why? That curse, he will forget his powers. You have to remind him. So what happened there? Hari Om. Angadake sangalina gayesiya khojaka pishaha baina ucharo jivatana Hariam jivatana bachi how hamaso jopina sudilaya ihapa gudharo Heritake basindu sabaeta balaya siya sudi prana ubaro ko nahi janata hai jag me kapi sankata muchana namati haro. When everybody voiced Jamwan dong Kahari Chapati Sudo Hanumana, O Pawan Putra, why are you sitting so passively and you're the ocean of strength to do this bidding here? And it was their devotee Jamwan started to tell him how he came. His father was a game warden on the Himalaya mountain. A great sage was in Tapasya, and a mad mammoth was about to kill him. When he called for help, your father rushed there, hit that mad mammoth a blow on the forehead, held on to the tusk and wrestled it to the ground and killed it. And when he saw the strength in your father, he said, ask her what you want. And there your father asked him, he said, I want a son as strong as the wind. And that is how Hanuman you came. When you were going to the sun and in sent the 10th thunderbolt, and you see with the little blow here, that is how they gave him the name Hanuman. Brahma said his budge will be defective, so we'll call you Bajranga Bali. Right? And so devotees, the whole katha, he started to relate to him. And when he finished with Hanuman, and he tell him, Chauki Mahamuni curse you, And when he reminded him of the kind of powers he had, Hanuman got up, asked Quincy to tell you, Jai Shri Ram! He started to grow. Every time he called that, it just grew twice and 3 times and 4 times. Singanadake, he stood there like the king of the mountains, golden in complexion. He said, Jamwan, you want me to go and kill Ravan and every demon and bring back Sita? Jamwan said, no. Just go and seek her welfare and come back. Hanuman left devotees. When he went there, what happened? Searching all about, he couldn't find Sita. He met Vibhishan through this Tulsi plant. And Vibhishan, devotees, guided him to the Ashok Batika. So Ravan had just come and he was, how you call it again? Wanting Sita to become his bride. And realizing that she will not give in, he said, you have 1 month to become my bride or I'll behead you. This time Hanuman was on the tree sitting on right there with the ring that Shri Ram gave him. And Sita she opened a cloth, Oh Tara, oh star, why don't you fall in this cloth and ignite it and make fire and let me get away from the clutches of this demon? So what happened? Hanumanji devotees dropped the ring at the same time. Hariyam Ravana trasadiyasiya so sab rakshasi so kahi shokha nivaro tahi samay Hanumana Mahaprabhu jaya Maharajani charamaro चाहतस्य अशोक स्वागी सुदय प्रभु मुद्रिका शोक निवारो को नहीं जानत है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो. Hanuman dropped the ring. So she clutched it, she thought it was a star or something. When she saw the signet ring of her Lord, you know how Sita was? Like a person drowning. And suddenly as a life jacket appeared and you could grab it. Hanuman appeared to her like that. He came down, identified himself and so on, and she was reassured. But he said, Mother, I traveled 800 miles and I'm very hungry. I see Ravan has a lovely orchard here. Can I have something to eat? She said, but Hanuman, if you go and pick, that'll be stealing, and you could get charged for Pridya Lasini. However, if you see any on the ground, you could pick up and so on. So what he did, he bowed to her. So, she was worried then because he told her, look, my Lord is going to come with plenty like me, And she was worried. She said, them Rakshas going to eat them. So he said, I'll have to show her really what we could do. So when he went there, he shake down them trees, and when they fall, he started to pick up. And he started to break up the orchard. News reached Ravan. A monkey was laying waste the orchard. He called Prince Akshay Kumar. Akshay came out there, Hanuman killed him. They couldn't believe that monkey did that, Meghnad self, I will subdue him. And Meghnad came there with a missile blessed by Lord Brahma, Nagapass, right? Brahmapass. Hanuman knew the vow of Lord Brahma on this missile and allowed him to be tied up. Brought before the court. Ravan up there and he down here. He said, no. He started to stretch his tail and coil it and he jumped on top there. Right? And when Vibhishan came, Vibhishan met him. Ravan asked him what to do. So Vibhishan tell him, well, you can't burn him, kill him. But a monkey cannot do without his tail. So set his tail on fire. Fire can burn him. And the more they brought us, the more he stretched. And when they finished, they carry him all through Lanka for a parade. And they bring him back, they say, light his tail. And the moment they strike that match, he took a small form, jumped on the attic of the palace, and he started to burn Lanka for the devotees. Thursday night playing Ram Leela. Burning Lanka, what happened? He went out his tail in the sea, and the sweat from his body fell, and a water Kriti absorbed it, and became, or was able to bring forth a son for him. We'll find out who he was. So here devotees, reaching back now, burning Lanka there. They built that bridge, cross Lanka. Sri Ram said, Angad to make peace. Ravan will not heed. War was declared. So in the war, this is the whole Ram Leela and the whole Ramayana. Look what happened during the war. Hariyam Bana lagyo ura Lakshmana ketaba prana taje suta Ravana maro. Hariyam laikriha vaida sushena sameta tabai giri drona subira uparo. Hariyam Ani sajivana tadayi taba Lakshmana ke tuma prana uparo. को नहीं जानता है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो. Lakshman was shot by Meghnad with a javelin blessed by Lord Brahma. And if medicine will not be applied in time, he'll stay in a swoon forever. Dr. Sushen was fetched devotees to the advice of Vibhishan. Sushen recommended a certain herb. It has to reach before morning. Who to go for it? Shri Ram told him again, Hanumanji, you have never failed me. How can I go back to Ayodhya? Utho lakhana lal priya bhai. Hanumanji, you have to help me here. You have to solve this. Hanuman took off, right? But news reached Ravan. Hanuman gone to get the herb. He will get the herb and revive Lakshman. He called a sorcerer called Kalnemi. He said, Kalnemi, here's something. Hanuman has gone to get the herb. He will know the herb by a glitter. If you could go and prevent him getting this herb to revive Lakshman, I'll give you the south half of Lanka for yourself and the Pushpak Viman. So Kalnemi got up there and disguised as a sage. And he, through magic, he made every herb glitter on the mountain. Hanuman killed him and so on. But he couldn't detect the herb. So what to do? He took up the mountain peak and brought it to Lanka. Doc was able to recognize it and administer it, reviving Lakshman devotees who killed Meghnad for the purpose for which he had come here. Hari Om Nara. You see how devotees, every issue was Hanumanji, eh? Ravana Yuddha Ajanaki Yotaba Naga Ki Phasa Sabai Shiradaro. Hari Om Sri Raghunatha Sameta Sabaidal Moha Bhayo Yah Sankata Bharo Anikage Satabai Hanumana Jubandhana Kati Sutrasa Nivaro Ko nahi janata hai jagame kapi Sankata Mochana Namati Haro. During the war, Shriram was shot with a Nagbhas, a missile that will take the form of snakes. Shriram could have prevented, but the vow of Brahma. So when devotees had happened, he called Hanuman. Hanuman, go quickly and fetch Garur to release me. Again, Hanuman came in the instrumental to take away the troubles and problems, devotees. And Ravan started, this army started to go wrong. He go and wake up poor Kumkaran, who was sleeping for 6 months and wake for 1 day. Brahmadi tell him, anytime somebody wake you up during your sleep, you will die. Just as Lankini, Kumkaran died. His army started to go down. And he called for his sons ruling various territories to come and help. Naranta came, Ahiravan came, and all the others. But here about this Ahiravan. What happened? Hari Om. Bandhu Sameta Jabai Ahiravan ki Laira Gunata Patala Siddharo. Devi hi puji bhali bidiso bali devuso. Sabai mili mantra ubaro. Jaya Sahaya Bhayo Tabahi Ahiravan Shaina Sameta Sangharo. Ko nahi janata hai jagame kapi Sankata Mochana Namati Haro. Ahiravan was a master sorcerer. He said, Father, I will help you. He had the power to disguise as Vibhishan. So during the camp, the night in the camp, he came in as Vibhishan. Everybody thought it was Vibhishan. And through his power of sorcery, he made everybody sleep like the dead. Take up Ram and Lakshman, right? Patal puri down through the earth. He head down for Patal. And when he head down there with the intention, he will do human sacrifice with them. So it was customary, every morning when the monkeys get up, they will go to bow to Shri Ram and Lakshman. When they go Shri Ram a day, Lakshman a day. So everybody running, Pawan Putra, you have to help us. Oh, Hanumanji, you have to get them. And everything is Hanumanji, Hanumanji, Hanumanji. He didn't know where they were. So he set out that morning. And devotees, Katha is animated here. It says around midday, he sat down below a tree to take a 5. And he was hearing 2 vultures speaking on the tree, a male and a female. So the female vulture telling the male how she was hungry. So the male vulture telling her, have some patience. You have been eating all type of carcasses. If you have a little patience and wait, Ahiravan is going to sacrifice Ram and Lakshman and you'll get royal meat to eat. And this is how we realize they were in Patal. So when he head down to Patal now, and as he go to enter, he meet a monkey by the gate. He said, you can't go in? He said, who is stopping me here? And they started to fight. So whilst they were fighting, every time Hanuman hit him, Jai Shri Ram. But when the monkey hit him, he said, Jai Hanuman. So Hanuman said, wait. Which Hanuman you talking about? He said, my father is Hanuman. He's the loyal servant of Shri Ram. He said, but that had to be me. But how you could be my son when I never married, and what trouble you putting me in here? And there he explained to him, when you burnt Lanka and you went out your tail, sweat from your body fell. And due to the power of your celibacy, my mother absorbed it. And she was able to bring forth, to conceive a child, which is me. He said, my name is Makardwaj. Hanuman's son, devotees, was Makardwaj. But he tell him, he said, you can't go in still, you know. So Hanuman said, look, I have to do something here. He hold him and take his tail and wrap him up, you know, and he leave him there. And when he went inside, Ahiravan, devotees, in order to kill Ahiravan, he was a master sorcerer, you know. The only person who could have killed Ahiravan is a person who could have blown out 5 lamps around the city with one breath. Who could do that? Huh? How are you going to blow out 5 lamps around the city? Is only when Sugriv brought Shri Ram in Rishimukh Parbat, and Shri Ram tell him, he said, look, I will destroy Bali. He said, no, come here. You see them 7 palm trees in a row? You have to show me you could shoot it down first, then I'll believe you could kill Bali. Yeah? Who could blow the 7 lamps from the city in one breath will be able to kill Ahiravan? How did Hanuman do that? Huh? How Hanuman could blow the 5 lamps from the city in one breath? Ajay. This is where he took the form of Panchmukhi Hanuman with the 5 heads. And with each head, he was able to blow out the lamps and kill him. Bring him back, Ram and Lakshman. Could you imagine when he come back? Pawan Putra Hanuman ki Jai Shri Ram. There was happiness in the camp. In every issue, Hanuman took away troubles and problems, devotees, and he allowed, happiness to prevail once more. Hariyam Kajakiyo Varadevan ke tumabira Mahaprabhu dekha vicharo kauna so sankata mora gariba ko jo tum so nahi jata hai taro begi haro Hanumana Mahaprabhu jo kachu sankata hoya hamaro ko nahi janata hai jag mein kapi sankata mochan namat. What is there too difficult for him? Nothing is difficult for Hanuman Baba. He always, look at his position, you know, like a runner ready to move. Watch how he's stooping there with one knee up, you know. You're ready to go. Always on the move, devotees. Active, energetic. Right? By his blessing, you stay like that. The blood do have time to get sweet, you know. You be active and energetic and on the go, devotees. By his grace and mercy, he will bless you with that. So, devotees, nothing is too difficult. Rama kaja kariveko aturi. And this line, devotees, always remember this is the key to successful living. Every time you move, Jai Shri Ram. Keep always the Lord name at the forefront of your life. You will have the least of troubles and problems. Tulsidas says, Lal dahari lali lase arudharu lal langor vajra deva danavadalang Jai 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 Kapishor Iti Sri Sankatamochan Samapti Bolo Shri Hanuman Ashtak Samapti Bolo Shri Mahavir Swami Ki Jai. Prem se boliye Pavana Putra Hanuman Ki Jai. We had the blessed privilege this evening to listen to Hanuman Chalisa and Sankatamochan. The Sankatamochan is the whole Ramayana and the whole Ramlila. It is. Yeah. But just listening to his greatness, devotees, it is very, very beneficial indeed. So we are here this evening. As I said, we join in puja this evening, Hanuman puja especially, on behalf of our dear Shrota Adonis, together with his mom, his family, and so on, who are there with him, supporting him. We want to take this opportunity to say to him once more, happy birthday to me today. Okay, God bless you, and how long the Lord have for you here on this earth. May you continue to live it with health and strength and goodwill, and continue to be the nice person you are. Keep the Hanumanji always in front, you will have the least of troubles and problems. Okay? Bolo Shri Mahavira Swami Ki Jai. Next week, devotees, we resort back to our normal Bhagavad Satsang. So we'll have Havan at this time. We also have meals prepared. We thank you all very much for coming out this evening and also observing all the restrictions pertaining to the COVID-19. You'll notice social distances. Most people have on their mask. I know you're sanitized and all these things and so on. We have devotees to adhere to these conditions in order to remain safe. So thanks very, very much. Dear Nayan Bhai, I know reached up here from quite far Spain. It's so nice to have you here. It's a long time though. So God bless you. Okay, so if the group want to render bhajan, you want to say a few words to them? Oh no, it will be so nice. Neela go there? Who? Okay, he would like to express thanks very, very much to Rishi, right? Right, to Rishi Kirai from Jongshan Road and Coal Mine, who was very instrumental in helping to prepare the eats and so on for this evening. Is it? Okay, so Adonis expressed thanks on this respect. Very nice boy. So we have Havana this time.
मेरे मन में बसे राम, मेरे तन में बसे राम, चीर की छाती बोए अपने पवन पूछ हनुमान, मेरे मन में बसे राम, मेरे तन में बसे राम,
मेरे मन में बसे है राम, मेरे तन में बसे है राम,
चीर की छाती
बोले अपने पवन पूछ हनुमान, मेरे मन में
बसे राम, मेरे तन में बसे राम। सीता हरण किया रावण ने पबजी की अपनाई, हनुमान में सीता जी का पब संदेश सुनाई, सीता हरण किया रावण ने पबजी की अपनाई, हनुमान में सीता जी का पब संदेश सुनाई, हनुमान में करते आए पबजी के गुण ज्ञान, मेरे मन में बसे ही राम, मेरे तन में बसे ही राम, मेरे मन में बसे ही राम, मेरे तन में बसे ही राम, चीर की छाती बोए अपने पवन पूछ हनुमान, मेरे मन में बसे ही राम, मेरे तन में बसे ही राम। लगी लक्ष्मण जी को शक्ति, देखो प्रभु घबराई, देखो प्रभु घबराई, लगी लक्ष्मण जी को शक्ति, देखो प्रभु घबराई, भोर से पहले हनुमान के लंका में हाथ लगाए, उस बैठे लक्ष्मण जी लेकर श्री राम का नाम, मेरे मन में बसे ही राम, मेरे तन में बसे ही राम, मेरे मन में बसे ही राम, मेरे तन में बसे ही राम, चीर की छाती बोए अपने पवन पूछ हनुमान, मेरे मन में बसे ही राम, मेरे तन में बसे ही राम। सेना देख ही रावण की सेना घबराई, पलक झपकते हनुमत से लंका में आग लगाई, वानर सेना देख ही रावण की सेना घबराई, पलक झपकते हनुमत से लंका में आग लगाई, लौटे प्रभु के साथ मिटा कर रावण का अभिमान, मेरे मन में बसे ही राम, मेरे तन में बसे ही राम, मेरे मन में बसे ही राम, मेरे तन में बसे राम। चीर की छाती बोले अपने पवन पूज हनुमान, चीर की छाती बोले अपने पवन पूज हनुमान। मेरे मन में बसे राम, मेरे तन में बसे राम, मेरे मन में बसे राम, मेरे तन में बसे राम, मेरे मन में बसे राम, मेरे तन में बसे राम।
तानि तानि विना शांति प्रदक्षिणा परे परे दीपनम। हरि ओम। नारायण भक्ति के बलम सजयं च वरते संयुक्तं वाहिनायोजितं जन वीर हनुमाना। हरि ओम वाहिनायोजितं मया। ओ वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना, राम राम रसिराये।
वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना, राम राम रसिया हरि। प्रभु मन बसिया हरि। वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना, राम राम रसिया हरि। प्रभु मन बसिया हरि। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम राम रसिया हरि। प्रभु मन बसिया हरि। वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम राम रसिया हरि। प्रभु मन बसिया हरि। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। 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 वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम राम बसिया हरि। प्रभु मन बसिया हरि। वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम राम रसिया हरि। प्रभु मन बसिया हरि। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम राम रसिया हरि। प्रभु मन बसिया हरि। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। 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 वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम राम रसिया हरि। प्रभु मन बसिया हरि। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम राम रसिया हरि। प्रभु मन बसिया हरि। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। 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 वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम राम रसिया हरि। प्रभु मन बसिया हरि।
प्रेम से बोलिए श्री महावीर स्वामी की जय. Let us all humble ourselves in prayerful submission as we join in our universal prayer. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva bandhu cha sakha tvameva vidya dravinan tvameva sarvam mama deva deva. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. प्रेम से बोलिए श्री उमापति महादेव की जय. पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय. गुरु रामानंद स्वामी की जय. आद्य शक्ति जगदम्बे माता की जय. वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. बोलो श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय. सर्वदेवी सर्वदेवता की जय. साधु गुरु के दंडवत जय 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 सीताराम. आपकी आसन लीजिए. प्लीज बी सीटेड आफ्टर रिसीविंग. टेक योर सीट. Bring the box. Devotees, remember, we do not pass around the arati. It will be placed downstairs there, where you take it there with your panchamrit and your prasad, and also the meals, I believe, are boxed, so that due to the all these restrictions that we have here, and please make sure and have something. You can take it home and partake of it, or if you do wish, social distancing is important. Due to the issue with the COVID, right? Ramlila has been put off for this year. Our Yagini temple is also postponed, and the annual day, family day, Tirat, all of these, we had to forgo them. All right? Our president of the Mandir, Mr. Indar Maharaj, is not too well. We want to beg your prayer, devotees, that may he have a speedy recovery and can be back again with the wonderful job that he has been doing. So as we conclude, we beg Bhagwan, if for any reason that anything could have been on the negative side, being humans, we ask forgiveness.
मनवारी मनवा जीवन ही संगम. मनवारी मनवा जीवन ही संगम. मनवारी मनवा जीवन ही संगम. बजले राम राम राम. बजले राम राम राम. बजले राम राम राम. बजले राम राम राम. मनवारी मनवा जीवन है संगम. मनवारी मनवा जीवन ही संगम. सिख कर बाबा अजर बनो की गजर इसकी गजर इसकी सोया चंच का दीप जाता. बिन बाती बिन बिन बाती से बरा नहीं
devotees, the choir will sing happy birthday to Adonis. But for next week, Thursday, I have nobody for Parasar. If anybody would like to contribute, please let me know before you leave. Thank you.
On behalf of the management of the Sanagar Hindu Temple and by extension the Sanagar Hindu Youth Group, we would like to wish you, Adonis, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,